हेलो एवरीवन, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम बैक। कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप ठीक ठाक है, खुशहाल है अपने घर में। चलिए आज की वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। आज मैं आप सबके साथ शेयर करूँगी एक डिलिशियस सा होममेड रेनबो केक कैसे बनाते हैं। वेरी सिंपल एंड वेरी इजी। सो we'll need is condensed milk half cup and milk about half cup, और हम यूज़ करेंगे plain flour 1 cup, oil quarter cup, sugar quarter cup, baking powder 1 teaspoon, baking soda quarter teaspoon, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, and few food colorings. So let's start. For this we'll need a large mixing bowl, and in the mixing bowl first we're going to add the condensed milk. After adding the condensed milk we're going to add the oil. After adding the oil, we're going to add the powdered sugar and then whisk it very well until well combined. So after mixing it very well, we're going to add the plain flour. If you don't have plain flour, you can use self-raising flour. For the full ingredients list, please go in the description box below. And if new to the channel, please subscribe, like the video, don't forget to comment and share it. And now we're going to add the milk bit by bit. And now after adding the milk, we're going to add the baking powder and the baking soda. Then after adding that, we're going to add the vanilla essence, then mix it very well. And now's the time for dividing the mixture into each bowl. And after dividing that, we're going to add the food coloring and mix it very well. Then instead of baking this, we're going to use a pan. Just going to mix it well. So here I'm using yellow, green, light pink, red, and orange. If you have other colors, you can use that. So we're just going to cook this in a pan in a low flame and cover it. And as you can see, they're nice and fluffed. And this final touch that we're going to do is add the whipped cream icing. And it's so simple. Please try this recipe, tell me in the comments. And if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up. So we're coming towards the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching. Take care. See you all. Allah Hafiz.